Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add an email address to your Roblox account. Really easy and simple to do, just takes about a minute. So all you have to do is go over to your Roblox application and open that up. So go ahead and do that now. Once you're open and logged into the Roblox application, you want to go to the bottom right corner where you see the circle with the 3 dots in it and click on that. And then as you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see an option for settings. So you want to click on settings. And then at the very top, you see account info. You want to click on that. And then it'll just take a second to open right up. And then all you see is under your phone number, under account info, you'll see an option to add your email address. So you just want to click on the right side of that. And then you just want to add your email address and then verify your account password. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Once you've done typing it in, you just want to click on add email. And then it'll just let you know that an email has been sent to your email address for verification. So you just want to go there and accept that verification. Once you've received your email that looks exactly like this, you can just click on verify email. And then we'll just give it a second. It'll bring you to roblox.com. You just want to go ahead and log into your account there. And then it just gives you a verification to solve. So you just want to go ahead and do that. And you just want to get through it. And once you finish the captcha, you'll see here that this comes up saying your email has now been verified. Enjoy the free hat. So now you have your new item and your email has been verified as well. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.